Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Bett&win. I just discovered new tricks concerning draw. Honestly, this is working perfectly. I just discovered this on Zoom Soccer few hours ago. I discovered these tricks. This is a draw tricks that they can pick like 5 or 6 games. Play, stake high. Just wait for your cash out. Be online, wait for it. Seriously, this is working perfectly on Zoom Soccer. I didn't say normal soccer, I said Zoom Soccer, Zoom Virtual Soccer. I just discovered these tricks few hours ago. See these tricks now. See this first one, I stake 1k. I stake 1k and wait for the cash out. I stake it before this. This is not that I stake it during life. No, I stake it before the start. There's a strategy I use on this. I stake it before the start. Then, as they start, I don't come online, wait for them. You will be seeing the cash out increasing. Just wait for it. There is a minute, there is a level it will reach. You're not cash out. I will tell you what to do. If you need teaching concerning these tricks now, this is a Zoom Soccer draw tricks. Okay, see the other one. See the other one here. See the other one. This one now is 3k. This is when I'm starting from the trees. Because that time I never did sure about the trees. That's why you see I just cash out 3k. I use 1k and stake on it. Like once you reach 3k, I just cash out. See the second one. This one I cash out 8k. When they say not they master me, I just cash out. Because once I see the trees is working perfectly, I allow the cash out to increase more and more. I just cash out here. 8k. This is the second time I try it. I see say it work. So this is the last one I did now. I wait for it. I wait for it to reach 20 something times. I'll make sure say it reach 20k before I cash out. And the reach I cash out. I stake with 1k. So assuming I know, I would have stake like 100k on this. Honestly. This is working perfectly. There is a strategy I use on this. There's a strategy. I've already withdrawn the money already to my account. I already withdraw it sharp. Because one thing with all these games is that any profit you make sure you withdraw some so that you enjoy the money. Because anytime you win and you withdraw the money, it makes you so happy. You'll be happy to spend that money. So it's better anytime you win big money like this, make sure either you divide it into 2 or you withdraw all and it remains small to use it to play again so that you enjoy the money you win. Yes, you need to enjoy it. Don't use because of greedy and say you stake the whole money again. Withdraw some. Either you divide it into 2 or you withdraw all, it remains small that you use to raise money again. That's how you do on all this platform. Don't say, okay, let me leave everything, then I'll stake the whole for the next game again. No. You need to enjoy. When you enjoy the money you withdraw, you win, you feel very, very happy. And you'll be pushed to try again because you already enjoy the money that you win. So one thing with all this, anytime you win like 5k, 3k, just either you divide it into 2 or you remove the money you used to start it. This game you see now, I started to 2k. 2k is the only money I used to start it. 2k. And now I've already make, let me say, the other one is 3k, the other one is 8k. Then I now check all this one here. See, this one is 2k, this one is 6k, this one is 23k. So once you check it, you minus down 2k. I used to start the game. You see the profit I make. So imagine you that is watching now. Imagine that you can be able to stake like 50k, or you can be able to start with a 30k or 20k. There is no way you will not cash out more than 100k on this game. This is the draw tricks I discovered. There's a strategy you use. Once you reach that stage, that cash out to reach that stage, I'll tell you the stage you will reach a cash out. I'll say the minutes it will reach during the life you cash out. Remember, I picked this game when they never start. I picked it when they never start. See this last one I played. You see, they never start before I pick it. You assuming they have already started, you see how the color of their odd will be. But this game, I pick it before they start and wait for it to start. And now all my data stay online. I'm watching them and be drinking my cold water and watch them. Seriously, this cash out, this draw trees is perfectly. And there is a time you use it perfectly. You see, if you even cash out more than this, there's a time you use it. There's those times they always delay to score. Those teams that's always delay to score. There's some team that's always delay that once you pick them for over goals or over 2.5, over 3.5, over 1.5, you see them, they will delay before they will score. They will even reach like 60-something minutes or 70-something minutes or 8 or 7, anything like 75, 76, 78 or even 85 minutes before they score. Those teams perfect for this kind of draw. Or those teams that delay around that 50-something minutes, that they're perfect for this kind of draw trees. But the strategy you must open during the statistics. There's the strategy you open. Just open the statistics. The strategy you use. There's something you will see. Well, I'm not going to drop everything here so that their agents will not see this. So anytime any of you need this game, you need this draw, just chat me on WhatsApp on 070-3676-0527. The WhatsApp number showing on your screen. Chat me on WhatsApp. If you need the trees, I will make the video for you and tell you how it works. But don't forget that it's not for free. It's not for free. So I charge from this. This is 7K tricks. I charge for it 7K, 8K tricks. If you are ready. Then if you want me to make a full video about it, is from 10K upward. If you want me to make a full video and show you more about this draw trees, and the one for correct score and the one for direct winning, you tell me, I will make the video for you. That one is more than 10K, but this particular one is 7K, 8K last. So if you're ready, chat me on WhatsApp with the number showing on your screen. All right, this is Bett&win. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. More trees are coming. More trees are coming. More trees are coming. By 2025, more trees are coming on Zoom Soccer. We are ready for them this time around. We are ready for Zoom Soccer. So see you guys on next video. Don't forget to subscribe. And the most important thing is that hit that red subscribe button, so that hit that red that bell button, so that you'll be notified anytime I post video. Once you click on that bell button, you'll be notified anytime I post new video. So you rush and see the video, see the trees and start it. All right, see you guys on next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you never subscribe. Subscribe right now and like our videos. Thank you for watching.